Hi, you lovelies. How are you? I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm coming to you with two massive boxes from COS. The first one has been kindly gifted to me, and the second one contains everything that I have purchased myself. So let us go through these two boxes and I try them on for you and give you my 2 cents about these pieces. Everything you see in this video will be linked down below, including all the sizes I have picked up. I am 170 centimeter tall, just as a reference for you. And I wear normally European size 36. It depends, it really depends, but 36 is my normal size. I would say we start with the first piece, which is this top. I really wanted to try this two see-through top layering situation, and I absolutely love it. I can tell you, I am sold. I love this two pieces together. The only thing I have to say, and this is pure silk, so 100% mulberry silk. The only thing that could be annoying is that these pieces, these tops are quite long, you see, and for an outfit like this, I would prefer them a bit shorter, like so, right? But also I like how they are gathered together here in the mixed section, so maybe it's not too bad after all. Anyway, and this one I believe is in size S, but I'm not sure. Oh, my hair looking really crazy. Yes, new hair. What do you think about this hair? I really hope you like it. If you don't like it, there is nothing I can do about it anymore. My hair is really in a bad state, I can tell you that. It doesn't look like it, I'm aware of it. But believe me, this hair is not the same as it was, don't know, 10 years ago. And I think it's because I'm going through hormonal changes. Maybe that's it. I'm not sure. Anyway, let us move on. And oh, are you still there? Two pieces that COS kindly gifted to me are these two, and I was so happy. I was so happy. I can't even tell you. You know, I had these in brown here. I ended up sending the bag back. I did hold on to the hat, but somehow I ended up looking at these two pieces in these colors again and again. Anyway, really happy about these colorways. I still like them in brown as well, but I think for me, I may get more wear out of these colors. And yeah, and then the bag. And I also have to say, this one in this color, I think this is size S as well, just like the brown one. Yeah, this one is much looser and also softer than this one in brown. Oh yes, I love them both. I have to admit, I love them both. Normally, I normally would choose something that I don't have already, but I know myself, I get a lot of wear out of these hats. Then, as for bag, I really love how this color looks against all the colors I have in my wardrobe, and yeah, I'm really happy about this one as well. So thank you, COS, so much for sending these pieces over to me. So let us move on and I'll show you everything that I bought with my own money. So first one being, is it stable here? First one being this skirt. Do I need to say anything more? I have the feeling you know guys, I have the feeling you are my fashion friends. You are definitely my fashion friends. You know me so well. Sometimes some of you send me items that I would like. You think I would like this and that, and I do like. We share the same taste basically, and I appreciate that so much. This is such a, you know, the beautiful thing about this channel is I have viewers from all over the world. I have viewers from US, from Korea, from Japan, Australia, And it's so nice to see that we all share the same passion for fashion, and you guys get me. You guys get me, and your comments, by the way, your comments mean so much to me. So much to me. I really, truly love reading all your comments. And I'm so lucky having just amazing people on this channel, viewing my videos. I'm so lucky. Thank you so much. Anyway, we are so much off track. Yeah, you know me, and you know that I love these kind of skirts, right? Over the past few years, I have shown you so many skirts in this style, and I don't get sick of them. I don't get bored of them. I just love how they fit, how comfortable they are, and also how versatile they are. Anyway, I had to get this one as well. Having said that, I have the feeling maybe I should try it on right away and talk about it as we go. So as you can see, this skirt is very straight, right? Very straight. I do like it, but maybe I should have gone a size up in this. What do you think? On the other hand, they meant to be somewhat fitted. So, sorry if my hair looks crazy. First day after washing, my hair looks just crazy and unmanageable. Tomorrow it will look much better. Anyway, this is the skirt, and I do like it. But maybe I should try it a size bigger. So I'm honestly not sure about this skirt, but for now we leave it as it is. And I was thinking, actually, wearing this skirt this way with a t-shirt. Where is the other t-shirt? Something like this. And this is, by the way, by Arcade, and I love these lightweight t-shirts. I have two of them, two of exact same t-shirts, and this is something that I normally don't do, but apparently I do it all the time. But this time, even more unusual for me, because I got this t-shirt in exact same color, cut twice. Anyway, this is a look, right? This is a comfortable and very actually wearable outfit, I would say, right? So yeah, maybe I stick to this skirt as it is. It definitely needs ironing, or steaming a little bit, or wearing. Actually, sometimes you wear things and then they smooth out, the wrinkles smooth out, if that makes sense. At least this is what happens all the time to me. I don't like ironing. Anyway, then yes, this was the t-shirt I was looking for. This t-shirt is, as you can see, is not white, right? It's a bit of white. And then, oh yes, this could work. But I also liked it actually with the white t-shirt. Okay, this t-shirt is definitely staying. I know these t-shirts too well. I have a few of them in different colors, and this is a bit more heavier than the other one by Arcade. And yes, and they also, as I mentioned before in many of my videos, they wash well, and I like that about them. You know what I always do right after I decided to keep something? Cutting off these pieces. I hate these pieces so passionately. And you know what? With this cut, I was pretty sure it would be flattering on my upper arms, but I wouldn't say so, right? It is actually, no, it's not for me. I mean, it would look good. It would look much better if you tucked it in all the way and like this. I mean, this is a t-shirt. I would not, yeah, it's much better. See, makes such a big difference actually. Right? It does make a big difference, but still not staying. I think this is not staying. Yes. No. I really like and enjoy the color. So anyway, next piece is or are these sandals. And I have to admit this is a mistake. They smell just terrible. You know, like petroleum. Anyway, these shoes, big mistake. I thought they are made out of leather. They are not. They are obviously something like, they must be plastic, right? I'm not sure, but they are not leather. And for this reason, they are going back for, at this price, they retail for 70 euros. So proud price for something that is not made out of leather, right? So this is going back. And then a few other items that I have already put out are these three items. I mean, I have a basic t-shirt that boring, right? I don't need to show you these t-shirts, right? But I have a weakness for navy. Every time I see a navy t-shirt, I have to grab it. So that's basically the reason why I got it. And I also love how oversized it is and, you know, flowy. And I love navy with this color. So yeah, that's for that t-shirt. And then we have a t-shirt dress, isn't it? This is a t-shirt dress. This is made out of a very thin cotton blend, and I went with size M here because I love these kind of t-shirt dresses to be long. It's got it's inside out because I have already tried it and it's really nice. I really enjoy it, and I like that these stripes are not white. They are off-white, and they pair so well with a t-shirt that I showed you before, you know, around the waist. And yeah, I have so many plans for this t-shirt dress. Then I spotted this linen shirt, and oof, I mean, again, if you know me, you know I love a shirt like this. This is oversized, cool, a bit see-through. Is it a bit? Oh, actually a lot, see? But in the summer months, we can tolerate that, right? And I really like it. What can I tell you? I love the look of it. I thought this is very unusual. It also comes in a different color as well, I believe, in an orange color, is it? Not sure. But I had to get it in this color because neutral, yeah? But before I let you go, I bought something from the row and I would like to share it with you in my next video. So please stay tuned for that video. I am so excited about this purchase. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And what is this? Ooh, okay. See you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.